أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum kids. I'd like to welcome you all in our second lesson of Quran Learning the Easy Way at Al-Noor channel. The purpose of these videos are to make the sounds of Arabic letter a lot more easier for you. So what I'd like you to do is to start off with few helping tools. Number 1. If you don't mind, grabbing a mirror or full face mirror would be great. So what I'd like you to do is to look into the mirror while making these sounds. You can also open the front cam of your phone. Number 2. I'd like you to feel free to rewind these lessons and listen to them as often as possible. We made this video so that you can pause and rewind the video whenever you need it and listen to them several times and make the sound perfectly. If you are really adventurous and you really want to benefit the most out of these next few videos, so what I like you to do is record yourself saying these letters and listen back what you have recorded and hear if you are saying these letters similarly. And mirror will gonna show you whether you are saying the letters correctly, and mirror will gonna show you whether you are moving your lips correctly. So moving towards our second lesson, today's objective is to cover 3 letters. These 3 letters look same but have different sounds. I hope you all have your mirror with you. So let's get started. Starting with the first letter, Jim, straight line with C and dot in between. The sound of this letter is Ja. The sound of this letter is Ja. Jim, Ja. This does correlate with the sound we have in English. Say the word jump or jug, or can you say the word George? Can you notice that the strength coming out of your mouth while producing this sound? George, Jim, Jim, Ja, George, Jim, Ja. Let's take a few examples. So number 1 example is Jannatun, Jannatun, Jannatun. Let's try another example, maybe the simpler one. Jama'a, Jama'a, Jama'a. Great. Revise with me. Jim, Ja. You don't say Ja or jump or jump. You can't say jump or jug. The proper sound is jug, jump. So did you notice that the sound is, you will produce the sound with little bit strength. Jump, Ja. Ever pronouncing this letter, the sound shouldn't be just running into your mouth. You should have some strength while producing this letter. Jim, Jim. Revise with me. Jim. Same. And the next letter is same shape, straight line with C but hollow in between. This letter comes out from the middle portion of your throat. Basically, we have 3 portions of our throat: upper portion, middle portion, and the bottom one. Ha produced from the middle portion of your throat. Ha, ha. Say it with me. Ha. Very lightly and smoothly. Ha. Let's think about something spicy. Like chilies or jalapenos. Whenever you eat something spicy, you start doing ha ha ha. So this is the point where ha comes out. This is the point where ha, the letter ha sound comes out. Ha. From the middle portion of your throat. Ha. This letter doesn't take any effort. You can produce it very lightly and smoothly. Ha. From middle portion of your throat. Ha. Ha. So this example is Hamada, Hamada, Hamada. So moving towards our second example is Alhamdu, 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 Alhamdu. Say it with me. Alhamdu, ha, ha, Alhamdu, Alhamdu. So moving towards our last but not the least example, which is Hatta. We have discussed ta in our previous lecture. So you know how to produce the sound of ta. Hatta, hatta. Say it with me. Hatta, hatta. Very good. Third letter, which is straight line with C and dot over its head, which is kha, kha, kha. Can you say the word scratch with me? Scratch. In this letter, you are scratching your back of your throat. Kha, kha, kha. Very good. So let's take some examples of kha. Our first example is yakhruju, 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 yakhruju. Basically, this letter is coming out from our upper part of our throat. Yakhruju. You will feel the scratch at this part of your throat. Yakhruju, yakhruju. Very good. Moving towards our second example, which is kharaja, kharaja, kharaja. Great. I think we have seen quite a few examples for today. I want you to rewind the video and make the sounds again. And make sure you are recording yourselves and making sounds correctly. I hope this benefits you a lot. Inshallah, we'll meet you in next video with rest of the Arabic sounds. Till then, Allah Hafiz.